Does God know everything?
Yes, he does.
So Jesus, if he didn't know in Matthew, before the resurrection, he was not God.
Okay.
Do you agree?
See,
Now you're caught.
Yes.
I believe God is fully powerful everywhere, wherever he
Yes.
may be. He always knows everything. He never not knows anything.
Yes, but he's
Okay?
in flesh now.
So-
It means
so-
he's limited.
so he's no longer
restricted
God.
To time. He's restricted to time.
Okay. Can God be restricted to time?
He can if he's on the earth. He can.
Okay. Can God be not all-knowing?
He knows everything.
Okay. God always knows everything.
Yes.
And Jesus didn't know the hour.
No.
So Jesus was not God then.
No.
Come on, bro. You're caught in your own paradigm.
You know.
He said Jesus knew the hour even in Matthew. And you're saying Jesus doesn't know the hour. He was telling me I didn't understand the Bible. So even between you two, you can't agree on it. Right?
Now, let me add a point.
Saturation.
My friend, take a ticket, join the queue. You're next. Okay?
Good. Come back. Tag him in. Tag him in back. Tag him in back. Tag team.